and will start that this transport. So that is the reason, you know, the circulatory system, we even call it as the transportation system, because all the living organisms, if you look on the screen, what all are the organisms you are seeing? These are all called mammals. What are mammals?
Mammals, jockey and
With two organisms with 2 hands and legs.
Organisms that give birth to the babies directly. They don't give birth to eggs. So they give
Yes.
directly birth to the babies. And all mammals will have hair on their body. There are specific characteristics by which you call them as mammals. So like human beings are also, we also comes under the category of mammals. So they all need nutrients, gases, liquids, etc. for the growth and maintenance of their body. So what happens is we eat whatever the food we are eating. So they all need nutrients, and you see water they need for the maintenance of their body. And this has to be circulated to all parts of the body, either through unicellular or the multicellular organisms. If you see, amoeba is a unicellular organism, and Hydra is a multicellular organism. So their body has got a system through which diffusion takes place. Who is disturbing? Please mute yourself. And a process called osmosis or diffusion. What is the difference between osmosis and diffusion? You have learned it in the earlier classes. Can anybody tell me? These organisms, if you look
Yes,
at,
we learned about diffusion.
what is diffusion and what is osmosis?
Diffusion is when particles of something gets mixed in something else, like air. Like when we light incense sticks for mosquito, for to avoid mosquitoes, the smell of it diffuses in the air, all over the air. It's mixed.
Yeah, it
Whereas
gets,
osmosis
yeah,
is different.
that's very good. And what is osmosis?
Like we were taught once that something when vegetable is washed, the water, like potato, absorbs the water in it. It's called osmosis.
So why does it absorb?
Yeah, it absorbs. I
A
think to get
process.
fresh and
Yes,
clean
I,
itself.
very good, Abramsha. See what happens, always water moves from lower concentration to the higher concentration. When you
Yeah.
are keeping it into the water, plain water, if the concentration inside the potato is higher than the surrounding, then it absorbs it. Okay, so that is how this process is called osmosis. So these unicellular organisms were in them, this circulatory transportation system was has been taking place through a process of diffusion or osmosis. You can see that this bulk movement of these inside their body, and they have adopted this method. And it takes years to avoid delay, or separate system is needed to carry a material much faster and more efficiently. So, but this system was not as fast. But whereas if you look at these mammalians, this big organism, they need to have a specialized system, because the circulatory, all parts, each and every cell, we were looking into organisms like amoeba, which is unicellular, where, you know, into these unicellular organisms, there is only one cell. So diffusion or osmosis process is okay, that works over there, but not in the highly evolved animals like mammalians. So we need to have a well-defined system of circulation. So let us see how is this system working. So if you all, can you all keep your fingers on the pulse, and can you tell me that whether you can observe your pulse? This is an activity which I'm going to give it to you for your homework, so that, you know, you can just count the rhythms, not on the homework now only, you just count the rhythms and tell me how much it is. I'll pause the recording for some time, so that and give you 2 minutes time. So let's see in your jogging condition, how many times you are able to, for how many times you could count your pulse? Aziz, keep jogging and counting, I said. Not sitting in one place, you have to jog. Like Ramsha and Arbaz, very good. Stop. Now, tell me or post me in the chat box, how much was your pulse rate? Arbaz gets 81, Ramsha gets 15, 1-5. So Arbaz has got all, I think correct. Asha 69, Aisha 78. So let us see what exactly was happening here. So what happens, when you count, you start and jog. So whenever you jog, your pulse will increase, it will not decrease. So take reading at least 2 of your parents in the same manner and record. You do it for in your family, with your parents, siblings, and your pulse, everybody's, and record and post this to me by today evening, so that you understand how does the pulse work. So at rest, what was the pulse rate? And after jogging, what was the pulse rate? So at rest, 64 minutes per 64 times per minute. And after jogging, 70 per minute in Dinesh case, whereas Dheeraj has got these readings. But you don't have to copy these readings. You have to observe the pulses of the family members and get back. So it varies from person to person and in situation to situation. Yes, tell me.
In a table just now we have observed of students now, their pulse rate in rest and their pulse rate after jogging. So yeah. I think they recorded their pulse rate second time after they jog. I think they start and then they record. But whereas us, we recorded while jogging, right? Not after.
After you sit down and rest. While jogging only you had to take, not while you sit down and do that.
Okay, but in the table, the heading is after jogging now. So I thought
yes. After jog,
yes.
During, according to this activity given to you, it's there in your book also. So in this activity, what you have to do is first you all got the rhythms, I mean pulse, okay, which was moving. Then first you have to check the pulse in one. Now stand up and jog for 1 minute at some place. Note the pulse for a minute. So you have to, while sitting, you have checked first. And while jogging, you have to check again. Okay? What you have done is correct. So similarly, you just note down.
Okay, okay. Ma'am, only 1 minute left for class.
Yes, this is what is the activity today evening. If you are completing and understanding it thoroughly, we'll go for further classes. Okay. So share me this activity
for last
page.
Homework is
that homework you have completed. No, I want this table. Please note down this, draw this table, and you have to, same way, you have to write the serial number here. At least 3 persons table I want. By evening, you have to post it in your WhatsApp groups. So first you have to take, for example.
What if our parents refuse to do it?
Your brother and sister will not refuse. No, you can take for your brother and sister or your friends, anybody. You take for Abdul Rahman and Shainaz.
Okay.
Okay, so check at rest time. First you check for your own self, then you check for your brother, and then for your sister, right? So,
or we can choose friends also, right?
Yes, anybody. But I want correct whatever the counts you are getting, write it into the table. Have you all drawn this table? Start drawing it.
Okay.
Okay.
So everybody understood how to do except Ashas. Nobody has shown me the thumbs up. Did you all
I
understand
also.
what activity you have to
Yes,
do?
ma'am.
Umesh has understood. Then no other thumbs up. Fayyaz is not showing the thumbs up. Shafi is not showing. Arbas understood. Very good. Umesh understood. Amsha understood. Abdulaziz, yes. Fayyaz. Fayyaz understood. Okay, good. Aisha, good, good. So I want this, just post this, these ratings. I think you have to complete it in 10 minutes. I'll give you 20 minutes. Okay, 3:26. So by 4 p.m. it should be there on your WhatsApp group, and based on that, you're going to get your performance marks. So see you all tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Ma'am, home assembly.
Yes. Yeah, we will join.
We-